We have a criminal,
of course.
a drug convict, a criminal in our parliament. As one of our legislators,
Right.
this Warren was found guilty. So was Isaac.
Time convicted felon.
Two-time convict.
Father Rusty wonders why Isaac received special treatment while others received the boot.
The PNP is a criminal organization as far as me see. This Warren was found guilty. So was Isaac. Was doing very well at her job. And here comes Philip Paul out of nowhere. Oh, but that woman never go to jail for sitting still. She said, no, I never go to jail, but me did get charged. Right? And them dig up her file and dig and scratch like foul and come up with all her life story like a bungler worm in a foul mouth. And say she was this and that and blah blah. Move a members motion to move her Isaac Buchanan.
Two-time convict.
Pretty much the same thing. Get sentenced one time and serve here 8 years out. I come back and do the same thing again. So he did it twice and get sentenced twice. Right? And this was just a mayor 10 years ago.
But now he's a member.
But now he wants to sit in our parliament. So what will the international community think of us now as a country and as a nation now?
Me no know.
That we're a bunch of jokers. We have a criminal,
of course.
a drug convict, a criminal in our parliament. As one of our legislators.
True.
Yeah.
This must not be allowed to happen.
Yeah.
It will be the laughing stock of the Caribbean.